Okay, so we did some thinking about our strategies and we did some correcting, which we can see in purple here. When I was adding these first three in my head, it did not work so well, so I did this just on this piece of paper, right? The 13000 plus the 2200. I got a different answer, 21010, which I wrote here. So then I added this to the bottom part, which was correct. And I got this answer, which is the correct answer, but is an answer that I did not get on the first problem. I mean, on the first strategy. I just watched the video back. I really did a great job explaining why I took a 1 over to add here. In the situation that I didn't add it and I got a 1, I got a 1 here instead of a 2, but this is the answer, 22033, which is just lovely. So let's do our last one here while we're still functioning at some sort of level. This one's just a standard alg. So again, we stack them up by place value. We can start with 2, 3, 4, 4, 2. All right, we start on this side, and I'll kind of talk through my brain as it works. 2 times 4, I know is 8. 8 is the same thing as a group of 5, a 1, and 3 more. So there's a 3. Here's the group of 5 up here. 2 times 3 is known as 6. 6 is the same thing as a group of 5 and 1. Oh, I got the hiccups. Sorry, 2 times 3 is 6. 6 is the same thing as a group of 5 and 1. So that would be 1, 1, plus this extra 1 would be 1, 2. So we're going to take our 2, put it there, add our 1 to the other side. Honestly, I'd be surprised if this worked, but we're gonna go for it. So we just did our 2 times the 1's place, 2 times the 1 nil's place. Now we got to do 2 times the 1 nil nil's place, plus this extra nil we got over here. 2 times 2, I know, is 4. 4 plus 1 is the same thing as 5, which is the same thing as 1, 0. So we can write our 1, 0 there. Now we're going to move down to the basement level of this situation. I don't need to do, I don't have any more values that I can put in the 1's place because I've already done 2 times 4. And multiplying 4 in the 1 0's place times 4 is not going to give me a value for that, because that is basically just this 4 0 times 4. That's not going to give me a value. It's going to give me something something and a 0, so I don't need to put anything there. Regardless, 4 times 4 is 16, which is the same thing as 3 5s plus 1, because 15 times plus 1 is 16, so that would be this number, 3 1. So I'll take my 1 here, I'll put it there. I'm going to bring my 3 over, set it up there just so I remember to add it, unlike the other problem where I forgot. So I just did 4 times 4. Now I can do 4 times 3, which I know is 12. 12 is the same as 1 5 and 2 more, but I need this 3. If we add a 3 to that, that'll be 15, which is the same as 2 5s and nothing more. So I will put a 0 there, and I will bring my 2 over to this next, I'll erase these ones, to this next rascal. I do 4 times 2, which is 8. 8 is the same thing as 5 plus 3, which is 1 5 and 3 more. If I add a 2 to that, I will get to 15, which again is the same thing as 3 5s and nothing more. So, I mean, that'll be 3-0. Again, I don't even remember the answer that I got. But if I add all these up... Fuck. This should be a 0. Oh no, Jesus. Sorry. When I put this dash there, I thought it was a 1. That's a 0. 3, 3, 0, 1, 3 is my answer, which I don't know if that was the same one as last time, but that would be